Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we'll be talking all things random and trends. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below, and do hit that notification bell so that you may be notified whenever I post a video. Hello fam, I am back with yet another love story from the love story segment featuring Sinethemba and Nasiphi Ntshangani. I hope I got them right, guys. Stay tuned, enjoy, and be inspired. So last night I came across a Facebook post by Sinethemba and I just thought that I should share it with y'all. Stay tuned. So this is what Sinethemba wrote, and I quote, "I am about stories, so I have a story to tell. I still remember when I shared a vision with this beautiful soul when I was still a taxi driver in 2012. I said, Ungu mama wabantwana bam. I would tell her about the kind of a father I was gonna be and about the future we were gonna have. She would smile towards those stories, and for me, that was a sign that she believes me." Nasiphe, Bashe, Ntshangani. I remember when you came to where I was buying meat, as it was my job at that time, and I said to her, "Listen, I will stand for the family joking," but I meant that. You have been by my side during ups and downs, and I still remember when you bought me underwear while I was still in varsity, and at that moment, I knew you were the one. Every single day I was hustling and promising you that I was gonna be a better husband, and you believed, and hey, you stuck by my side. All I wanna say on this post is that I appreciate you, and most importantly, thank you for the gift you have given me. I will forever be grateful. I know, baby, we are only getting started for greatness." Sinethemba went on to write a word of encouragement to couples out there, and this is what he wrote, I quote, "To couples out there, fam, stick together, support each other, dream together, and believe that anything is possible." And to the man upstairs, this is what he had to say in closing. "To the legend God, listen man, salute dada. Let's do this, and thank you so much for this gift. I know you are only getting started in blessing me. Let's get in the game of more blessings." Thank you so much for watching and listening. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and do let us know if you would like to be featured on this channel. More info regarding this and the social media handles of this young, incredible couple will be left in the description box down below. Make sure you do check them out and you follow them in all their social media platforms. Stay tuned for this short video that we'll be closing with.
What a time to be alive! There's time to work and there's time to celebrate. It's that time. But guess what? We are Team Active!
The only person that is going to help you to touch your dreams, your goals, guess who's that guy? It's you. No one else. Let someone else who's already up to the top to inspire you, to motivate you. Don't be jealous. Let those people be the drive. Let those people to fuel you. If it means to walk towards your dreams, do that. If it means to gather some strength so that you can run towards your dreams, why not? Do what it takes. Run towards your dreams. your dreams, your goals. The bright future is waiting for you. You gotta believe in yourself and understand it very well that the only person that is gonna help you to make it up to the top is the guy that you see when you look at the mirror. Yes, there is gonna be times where you're feeling small, feeling like giving up. Listen, that is the time to push more because you're about to make it. While you push, you have the powerful inner voice.
I hope you've learned a thing or two from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.